Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fresh fish groundnut soup. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh fish, like tilapia or catfish, and 1 cup of creamy groundnut paste. Don't forget your favorite vegetables, such as spinach or bell peppers, and essential aromatics like 1 large onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a 1-inch piece of ginger. We'll also need some oil and your preferred spices. Now let's get cooking. Begin by cleaning your fish thoroughly and seasoning it with a pinch of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. In a large pot, heat 2 tablespoons of oil over medium heat. Add your chopped onions, minced garlic, and grated ginger, sautéing for about 3 minutes until fragrant. Then, stir in your 1 cup of groundnut paste, mixing it well to create a smooth, rich base for our soup. Next, it's time to bring everything together. Carefully place your seasoned fish into the groundnut base in the pot. Pour in about 4 cups of water or fish stock, ensuring the fish is mostly submerged. Bring the soup to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low. Let it simmer uncovered for 20 to 25 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully and the fish to cook through perfectly. Finally, for the finishing touches, add your chosen vegetables, like 1 cup of chopped spinach or half a cup of diced bell peppers, and let them cook for another 5 minutes until tender crisp. Taste the soup and adjust the seasonings, adding a little more salt or pepper if needed. Your delicious fresh fish groundnut soup is now ready. Serve it hot with a side of fluffy rice, fufu, or your favorite accompaniment. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.